My name is Zulya Rajabova, the president of Silkroad Treasure Tours, which specializes in travel to Central Asia stands. Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Turkmenistan and Tajikistan, Caucasus countries, Azerbaijan, Armenia and Georgia, and the destinations all along the Silk Road. We cover every aspect of your travel planning, travel insurance, airfare options, border crossing procedure, visas, creating for you iconic itineraries based on your style and interests and based on our local expertise. We are so honored to be Condé Nast top travel specialists in the world for Central Asia, and it's our passion to share our cultures, traditions and history, and also our blue skies and the hospitality of the people of Silk Road destinations. Welcome to the Silk Road Treasure Tours. We look forward to working with you.